What you can count on begins with Georgia soon seeing a major increase in funding for mental health. News Channel 6's Darnisa Jefferson talked to mental health providers about how that funding could be a big help.
So a lot of people have struggles, but I was diagnosed at 20.
Warren Bowman Jr. knows firsthand the struggle of dealing with mental health issues. He now uses his personal experience to be an advocate for others.
And as time progressed, I became an advocate, just helping support people.
As a certified peer specialist, he says the mental health profession needs more resources.
One spot I think that's very needed would be helping people with homelessness resources and also access to housing.
The 2023 Georgia state budget includes a $180 million increase in mental health spending, the largest in the state's history. While the state continues to deal with the mental health provider shortage, Bowman says he would like to see part of that funding go toward recruiting and retaining more mental health professionals.
So we need more psychiatrists and psychologists, which are two different, actual classifications of people that work in a profession.
Other counselors say getting more mental health professionals involved in crisis care is critical.
I think the key to that is going to be increasing our crisis care. If we're not, especially these smaller areas, getting our police departments trained, deputies, our officers and things like that trained so that they know more about crisis care.
Bowman says getting more providers in the field means getting more patients the help they need.
The more people that stay in that field, then we can open up more clinics and more different types of substance abuse spots.
In Augusta, Darnisa Jefferson, WJBF, News Channel 6.